Welcome. Today we will compare two popular phones, the Moto G 2025, released in January 2025, and the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, released in October 2024. Both phones offer good features at a low price. We will look at their design, camera, battery life, and performance to help you decide which phone is better for you. Whether you want a phone for everyday use or extra features. This video will give you the facts. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started. The Moto G 2025 and Samsung Galaxy A16 5G have similar sizes, but the Moto G is slightly taller and thinner, measuring 167.1 by 76.3 by 8.2 millimeters, compared to the Galaxy A16's 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters. The Moto G weighs less at 193 grams, making it a bit lighter and easier to hold than the Galaxy A16, which weighs 200 grams. In terms of materials, the Moto G offers a more premium feel with a glass front, eco-leather back, and plastic frame, while the Galaxy A16 has a glass front but uses plastic for both the back and frame. The Moto G also has a water-repellent design, whereas the Galaxy A16 features basic water resistance with an IP54 rating. Overall, the Moto G may feel more comfortable and stylish, while the Galaxy A16 is slightly heavier but still durable. The Moto G 2025 features a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals but a lower resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels and a pixel density of about 262 ppi. It has a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 84.9% and includes Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. In contrast, Samsung Galaxy A16 5G sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, delivering more vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Its resolution is significantly higher at 1080 by 2340 pixels, resulting in a sharper image with around 385 ppi density. The Galaxy A16 also has a slightly better screen-to-body ratio of 86.0% and supports up to 800 nits brightness HBM, making it more suitable for outdoor use. Overall, the Galaxy A16 offers superior display quality, while the Moto G 2025 prioritizes smoother motion. The Moto G 2025 and Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offer similar platform foundations, but differ in key performance aspects. Both run on Android, with the Moto G 2025 launching on Android 15 and promising up to 2 major upgrades, while the Galaxy A16 5G starts with Android 14 and supports up to 6 major upgrades alongside One UI 6.1. The Moto G 2025 utilizes the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset with an octa-core CPU featuring 2 x 2.4 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 x 2.0 GHz Cortex A55 cores, paired with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In contrast, the Galaxy A16 5G offers either the same MediaTek Dimensity 6300 or a more advanced Exynos 1330 chipset with 2 x 2.4 GHz Cortex A78 cores and a Mali G68 MP2 GPU, potentially delivering better CPU and GPU performance when equipped with the Exynos variant. Overall, the Galaxy A16 5G provides more upgrade longevity and may outperform the Moto G 2025 depending on the chipset version. The Moto G 2025 offers internal storage options of 64GB and 128GB, both paired with 4GB of RAM. It features a dedicated microSD card slot, allowing users to expand storage without sacrificing SIM card functionality. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G provides a wider range of internal storage and memory configurations, including 128GB with 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of RAM. and a 256GB variant with 8GB RAM. However, its micro SDXC card slot is hybrid, meaning it shares space with the SIM slot, so users must choose between additional storage or a second SIM card. Overall, the Galaxy A16 5G offers more internal memory and storage flexibility, while the Moto G 2025 supports dedicated expandable storage but with lower RAM options. The Moto G 2025 and Samsung Galaxy A16 5G both feature a 50MP main wide camera with an f1.8 aperture, but differ in sensor size and stabilization. The Moto G 2025's main camera has a smaller 0.61 micrometer pixel size, but includes PDAF and optical image stabilization, OIS, which can enhance image sharpness and reduce blur. In contrast, the Galaxy A16 5G offers a slightly larger 0.64 micrometer pixel size with autofocus, but lacks OIS, relying instead on gyro EIS for video stabilization. The Galaxy A16 5G has a triple camera setup with an additional 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, providing more versatility compared to the Moto G 2025's dual camera system that includes a 2-megapixel macro lens. Both phones support LED flash, HDR, panorama, and record 1080p video at 30 FPS, with Galaxy A16 5G offering enhanced video stabilization. The Moto G 2025 features a 16-megapixel front camera with an aperture of f2.4 and a pixel size of 1.0 micrometers, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is equipped with a 13-megapixel selfie camera, sporting a wider aperture of f2.0 and a slightly larger pixel size of 1.12 micrometers. Both cameras offer a wide-angle lens and support 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. The higher megapixel count on the Moto G 2025 suggests it may capture more detailed selfies, but the Galaxy A16 5G's wider aperture and larger pixel size could perform better in low-light conditions, allowing more light to reach the sensor. Overall, the Moto G 2025 might excel in sharpness, whereas the Galaxy A16 5G could provide brighter and clearer images in dim environments. The Moto G 2025 and the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G both feature a 5000 mAh battery, providing ample power for extended usage throughout the day. However, the Moto G 2025 offers a slight advantage in charging speed with its 30-watt wired charging capability, compared to the 25-watt wired charging supported by the Galaxy A16 5G. This means the Moto G 2025 can recharge faster, reducing downtime and making it more convenient for users who need a quick power boost. Despite this difference, both smartphones deliver similar battery capacity, ensuring they can handle typical daily tasks efficiently. Overall, the Moto G 2025 may appeal more to users prioritizing faster charging, while both devices offer reliable battery life. In summary, the Moto G 2025 offers a clean software experience and solid performance for everyday use, while the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G stands out with its bigger battery and vibrant display. Both phones provide good value in their price range, but your choice depends on what matters most to you, whether it's smooth software or longer battery life. Check out the Amazon links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Whichever you pick, make sure it fits your personal needs and budget. Thanks for watching.